Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a safe backup and noting exactly what you changed. This prevents data loss. Once saved, open the document and confirm whether the replacement was global or localized, because that determines your reversal method. If your editor supports undo history, press Ctrl+Z or use the undo stack immediately. If not, make a copy and work on that. Make sure to record the original find pattern and replacement string so you can target reversions precisely without guessing. Once done with the initial checks, leverage available tools to reverse changes safely. If you have version history or a version control system, restore the prior commit or copy because that is the cleanest fix. If you must edit manually, perform a reverse find and replace. Use the replacement text as the new find pattern and the original find text as the replacement, applying case and rejects rules exactly. Make sure to run a preview or a dry run to catch unintended matches before committing. To finish, verify results by sampling sections and running a diff against the backup so you see any missed or extra changes. If you encounter overlapping or ambiguous replacements, stop and script a controlled, line-by-line revert or use rejects capturing groups to preserve context. Make sure to save the corrected file as a new version and document exactly what you reverted. If things go wrong, restore the backup and repeat the reversal with smaller scopes to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.